Check it out, y'all. My son-in-law caught 3 fish in like 4 or 5 minutes. I don't even know, but we're about to weigh this big boy right there. So check it out. I'm gonna show you the scale. It's off. Turn it on. 0 pounds. All right, we're gonna hook him up and just grab the thing right there. Ooh, nice. Nice fish. 28.10. Look at that, y'all. 28 pounder. All right, son, let's do the other one. Let me reset that. I'm gonna reset it, yo. There it is, 0 pounds. Definitely smaller. We're not even gonna weigh that little one, but oh, nice, still nice fish. 14.92, 1502, 14 pounder. Look at that, y'all. And of course, we got that little baby right there. So we're definitely gonna keep him. He's going on a stringer. We're about to let the big ones go.